Hey, we're in the shop. There's another problem I need to make you aware of on these 252s. If you own one, you know the problem. It's the latch system, that keeps this cover down. They break, they wear out, the rivets wear out on them, and I don't know what a replacement latch is, what they cost from Vermeer. But since I used to do Jeeps with my brother, I said, it's got the same type of lid or whatever system that you hold on a Jeep hood, basically. So I went on Amazon and ordered these. So I don't know how long they're going to last, okay, but it seems to be holding. So it was a cheap fix. It was about under $10. Okay, so I didn't go to a Jeep supply place. I just looked them up on Amazon, and it's good Lord, on Amazon there's so many high-end ones and fancy locking ones. I bought the cheapest stuff there was. All right. Let me turn this around and show you. But there is a little bit of work to put them on, and I'll show you what it is. Hold on. All right, there it is. Okay, you remember the other ones. I used the same hole that they had already pre-drilled in here. And it comes with hardware, but the hardware is basically a machine screw and a nut. The problem you'll find, and it uses two here, and there's the original one, okay, where it went. So what I did was put this one where the bottom hole was for rivet, and then drill the new hole for that. So you gotta lift up on it, they're rubber. Lift up, comes off. And to install these, you have to move the gas tank. And if some of you guys never did it, you guys will probably try to do it the hard way. I'll show you the easy way. Look, first, there's your tension strap that keeps this lid from falling all the way down. Unscrew it and but be prepared. Lower it down, put a block, a chair, or whatever to catch it. Open it enough to where you have room in here. And then there's 4 bolts to loosen this gas tank. All right, when you get the lid out of the way, pull your battery out. There's 1, 2 directly underneath. They're 3/8 little bolts. Take them out. On this side, there's 1, 2 down below. Now, if you try to reach underneath it, don't do that, because I'm going to show you something. I'm going to lay on the ground to show you. Look, see that hole? There's another hole. It has access holes underneath here that go directly to the fuel tank access underneath there. One there and one there, okay? Also, there's your port underneath here to drain your hydraulic tank. But I showed you that in another video. So you have to put a long extension on a 3/8 socket, spin them out, and then slide the gas tank to the side. You have to drill one little hole for that. When you pull it out, the reason why you're doing that, let's see if I can get you to see this, is it's so close down in here. God, I can't do this. See if you can find my finger here. So close in there. I'm trying to get a camera. Down in here to where you have to move the gas tank out. Then the bolts that they give you, or machine screws, are long. You'll have to, after you get everything tight, use a pair of dikes, clip them off, slide the tank back, because if they're too long, they're gonna rub on this plastic tank and you have a hole in the gas tank. So the short, you clip them off, they're good. All you do is you pull a little pressure to pull up, and it's on. See? It's on. And it holds it. Well, that's just a cheap little trick for this week. And this machine's done. I'm not doing anything else to it. She's repaired, done. Now I'm gonna move on to the trailer. I'll show you how I rewire it. Then I'm gonna use a plasma cutter I have that I've never used before. We'll use it together on that trailer, cut off all that expanded metal. I'll put new expanded metal on it, but that's maybe next week's project. All right. Anyway, that's all for this week. God bless you. I appreciate you guys. Just a little short video. I don't know how long it is, 4 or 5 minutes. See you on the next one.